This is Rahim Zulfikar Ali, and in this video tutorial we will explore two features available in the Design tab of Microsoft PowerPoint application. So we will explore the themes and also how to format the background as well. So it has been observed that a lot of PowerPoint users, they create their own themes, and which takes a lot of time as well, but you can use available themes in the PowerPoint as well from the Design tab, which is readily available, and it will save your time. You can also do the customization as well in terms of colors, fonts, or any other thing, or the background as well. So there are some themes available. For example, if I like this theme, so I will click on it, and then there are variants. So when I click on this small arrow of variant groups, so there are four things which are considerable in the theme, which basically make a theme. So the first one is colors, second one is the fonts, third one is the effects, and the fourth one is the background styles. So these four things together, these four things as a variant combine, and it is called as a theme, right? So you can change any variant if you want to. For example, if you want this theme, but you don't like a color, so you can change the color. So you can see that it's very easy and very great colors are available, combination of colors are available. If you want some different fonts, you can have different fonts, and that will change all the text boxes available on your so many slides. If you want different kind of effects, for example, if you have some objects and you want to apply all those effects on your objects, it will change. Also, you have different kind of background styles are also available, right? And if you want to do more customization, you can click on format background, where you can either go with a solid fill, a gradient fill, if you want a picture or texture fill, a pattern fill. So there are a lot of choices available in terms of making your presentations look awesome and very different from the normal users. So I hope you like this video, and you will explore different kind of themes and also their variants with respect to these four categories, where you have a lot of varieties available. Also, if you click on design ideas, it will change your slide and it will give you different kind of ideas, and when you click on it, and within 1 second that entire layout will change, right? Thank you.